Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make vitamin D powder at home. First, understand that synthesizing vitamin D powder involves a complex process, not a simple kitchen recipe. It requires careful handling of specific chemical precursors and controlled conditions. Safety is paramount, so always prioritize proper equipment and knowledge before attempting any chemical synthesis. This process is generally performed in specialized laboratories. Next, the precursor compound must be exposed to specific ultraviolet B light wavelengths. This irradiation step is critical, as it initiates the chemical transformation into pre-vitamin D. Maintaining a consistent light source and temperature is vital to ensure the reaction proceeds correctly and efficiently. Improper exposure can lead to unwanted byproducts or an ineffective yield. Following UV exposure, the pre-vitamin D undergoes a thermal isomerization process, typically with gentle heating. This crucial step converts it into the stable, active form of vitamin D. After conversion, the vitamin D must be carefully extracted from the reaction mixture using appropriate solvents. This isolation ensures purity and separates the desired compound from any unreacted precursors or byproducts. Finally, the extracted vitamin D undergoes rigorous purification steps to remove any remaining impurities, ensuring a high-quality and potent product. Once purified, it is carefully dried using methods like vacuum drying or spray drying to create a stable, fine powder. Proper storage in airtight, light-protected containers is essential to maintain its potency over time. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.